Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word fold. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She carefully folded the letter and placed it in the envelope. In this sentence, fold means to bend or crease something, such as a piece of paper, by bringing one part over another part to make it smaller or neater. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.